In this video, I will show you how to send a non-urgent medical question. If you have an emergency, always call 911. You can use the Message Center in MyChart to make an appointment, refill a medication, or ask a question. Today, I want to ask my doctor a question. My blood pressure was a little high at my last visit, and I want to ask my doctor a question about this. First, I go to the Message Center by clicking on Messages in the top bar. I can also click on Menu and either Messages or Ask a Question. Both will take me to the Message Center. Click Send a Message. There is a list of actions on the screen. Today, I'm going to ask a medical question. Before I can send my message, I see this important guide. Messaging in MyChart is only for non-urgent messages. If you need urgent help, call 911 or seek medical help from the nearest emergency treatment center. After reading the guide, click Next. Since my question is about my recent blood pressure test, I'm going to click on Test Results Question. Here, I'll select my provider. I give it a subject. Type my question. If I had something to attach to the message, like a photo, I could use the paperclip icon. Today, though, I do not have an attachment to send. When I receive a new message, a pop-up will appear on the MyChart homepage to let me know. I can click on that pop-up to view the new message and reply to my care team. When my doctor or other members of my care team reply to my message, I read their reply in the conversations list. In this video, I showed you how to send a medical question to your care team. Thank you.